Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What, CSW is not feeling that good today, so don't mind the raspy voice. Well, today we have a check engine light going on, but we're going to look at this vehicle a little bit close and see what's missing. We can see we have a non-existent backing plate. Well, a little of it is still there. Oh, even less now. Let's go to this side. Oh. I would imagine that the passenger side must face the ocean because there's not enough backing plate here. Let's go a little further. Oh, wait, you know what? We're not even going to go further. We're going to turn right back around and look at the self-lubricating chassis system and the power steering repair with rubber line, hose clamps, and zip ties. Oh, we found more over there. More improper hose. All right, well, let's hope for them that that's the low pressure side and not the high pressure side. Let's go a little further back because we see that we have some exhaust here. Some of the exhaust things are missing, like this hanger. It's no longer available. We do have a newish center pipe, though, so at least they're trying, into a Borla exhaust. But we have another elephant in the room, and we're going to get to the jangly guy. We got a busted leaf spring that they try to repair with wire. Okay, whatever. Oh, wait, we have more than just one busted. Look at that. There's another piece that's completely freaking missing. Yep, look at it. There should be a piece over there, and it's completely missing. So guys, let's go a little further back to the parking brake area. We can see the backing plate is corroding, and we can actually inspect the shoes. Well, almost. We could almost inspect the shoes. Oh my God. So we have one seized bell crank. Another seized bell crank. And even further flavor. Wow, how does this car even on the road? So there's another elephant though, guys. You see this petrified differential? Well, that was a structure flavor chip, as we could see. This petrified diff is leaking due to the flavor. Wonderful, guys. If you don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further flavor.